What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're gonna talk star ceilings. If you aren't a subscriber already, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Let's go! All right, guys, today we are gonna talk star ceilings, and I am here with Cinematech, the industry leader in high-end setups. We covered acoustics, seating, design, and now we're talking fiber optic ceilings. I'm gonna pass it over to Matt, the VP, and he's gonna tell you what's up. Let's go.
All right, so what we have here is our fiber optic star ceiling. There's a couple things we're gonna display for you today. Over here we have two Constellations. If you come up, you basically come to us with whatever you want. If you say, I love Orion's belt, or I love whatever it is, we can create it for you as long as it's a real constellation. Here we have our shooting star. It just flew by. It'll fly by here and again in a minute. And while we're waiting on that, you'll see that we have a bunch of different fibers in the ceiling. Some of them are going to be brighter than others. We use 5 different diameters of fiber optic star ceiling, or fiber optics. And we do that so that some look brighter and some look dimmer than others, because we're trying to recreate the night sky the best we can. What we've also done in this room is we've done a printed cloud pattern, which you may be able to see here.
There goes that shooting star.
And so you can time that however you want. Some clients, they want to do it every 5 minutes, so that way when they do see it, it's like, you know, it's a very rare occurrence. Other clients just have it going on a loop constantly. So whatever you want, we can do. But with the star ceilings, like I was saying, you can do a printed cloud pattern, you can do a solid black fabric, you can do really whatever you want. We've had clients do the Milky Way, and then we do a lot more fibers in the middle of it to create that Milky Way effect, and then we would do like 1 or 2 here on the edges. The other great thing about our star ceiling is that it comes with acoustical properties, so you're not just putting up a star ceiling. This is actually helping tune your room and make it sound better. Another nice thing about our star ceilings is they can come in whatever shape you want. So in here we have a nice rectangle, but we can do an oval shape, we can do an amoeba, we've done it all, and we can do it all. And the other nice thing is we're going to follow whatever is there in the room. So when our guys come out to, our certified installers come out to do the installation, they're actually going to run track around the perimeter and bring the fabric over. So you're going to get a nice clean fit and finish to it that you're not going to get with any kind of pre-made snap together panels. So the whole idea behind Cinematech star ceilings is they're custom, one-off, bespoke pieces for your theater room. And everything we show here, we actually do, our guys will come out and do the installation for you. So it's a turnkey star ceiling, so there's no one else you have to worry about with the room. We just need to make sure it's prepped for us properly. But with that, that's
about it.
Yeah.
So long story short, guys, if you want the best of the best, you want a killer star ceiling that's gonna blow all your friends' mind, give us a call. We'd be happy to get Cinematech out there and install this for you. It's an absolute game changer. If you've seen other star ceilings out there, nothing else compares. This is top quality. So make sure to give us a ring and show your support. We would be thrilled to help you guys out. If you aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.